I know Photoshop is paid, and for those who can't use it, they have this previous website which is just like Photoshop. It has almost all the features that are in Photoshop. Therefore, what you want to upload is there in it. You can make all kind of art, thumbnail, and everything can be made from it. Must try it once. This website is Photopea. The link to this and the other two is also available in the description. Another website as per my promise, which I made in the previous video, that I will bring a tool to remove anything from photo very soon. This is the tool. From this website you can remove unwanted thing, background erase, image enhancing, and text to image. It also has paid plain, but we will use it for free. Free use will add watermark to the photo. First sign up here with Google, then drag any picture here, then select the thing you want to remove like this. Then in few moments it will remove that thing, then you can download it from here. The name of this website is Magic Eraser. The third website you've probably never heard of. What can be very useful for us is that we can make our password strong without any login, and it is also completely free. Simply click on Enter Password here and type your password here. It will tell you how long it takes for the computer to hack your password. As you can see, I am typing the password, and after typing the word here, you can see that it is telling me that the computer needs to hack it. It may take 93 trillion years, which means it is impossible to crack it. One more thing, don't use this password anywhere, but just take an idea from it. The name of this website is How to Secure My Password.